Hello，大家好啊！為咗可以帶更加多優質嘅愛爾蘭英語課程俾大家 ，IIEC 受邀出席 MEI Workshop。MEI Marketing English in Ireland 係同政府機構、當地語言學校等有緊密聯繫嘅協會，佢哋係專門介紹愛爾蘭各地優質嘅語言學校嘅。除咗加強同現有學校嘅聯繫 ，IIEC 仲積極尋找更加多新學校俾大家。喺活動當中有認識到一啲唔同規模嘅語言學校，我哋亦都會喺不久之後前往各間嘅學校拍片介紹俾大家認識。而家就等大家聽下 UCC 同埋 UCD 嘅語言學校代表介紹下佢哋嘅語言課程啊。
Okay, so hello, my name is Brendan O'Shea. I'm the Head of Development in University College Cork, Ireland's Language Centre, and I'm here to tell you why that you should come to Cork, which is Ireland's second city, the real capital of Ireland, to learn and to improve your English. Cork is a fantastic city. It's a student city with a population of about 250,000 people and about maybe 40 to 50,000 students. Our university is a very vibrant, dynamic place to learn and to study English, and it has all the facilities of a world-class university. When you come, you'll be given a student card which will give you access to all the facilities, including the swimming pool, leisure centres, art galleries, restaurants, and the best thing about coming to learn English in Cork is that you will be treated so well by your teachers, all your staff, and you will make friends from all over the world. So what are you waiting for? Come to Cork to learn English.
Hello, I'm Juliana from UCD ELA. We are the largest university in Ireland, and we are the English school of UCD located on campus. We offer courses all year round, January to December, and we also have summer courses for 18 plus students. We also have our own campus residence, which is available from June to August. And that offers the best option for students to have the best experience on campus, walking distance to the classrooms, and single rooms and everything else they need on a walking distance inside the campus. We are waiting for you. We look forward to welcoming you to UCD ELA.
除咗正式喺會議上面同學校傾談 ，MEI 仲提供咗酒會同埋晚餐俾我哋享用。喺酒會期間，我哋仲有幸受邀學下點樣跳愛爾蘭舞添，俾大家望下當時嘅情景啊！而呢一餐就係商務晚餐，晚餐呢就不過不失啦。不過食完飯之後聽下樂隊表演都幾享受㗎。咁今日呢條片就到此為止啦。IIEC 亦都會繼續努力向大家介紹唔同嘅愛爾蘭英語課程同埋唔同嘅學校資訊，大家繼續關注我哋啦，下次見。